that carried our learners, teachers, and families through months of hard work, sacrifice, and hope. Sa ating mga mag-aaral, this year was not always easy. May mga araling mahirap intindihin at mga pagsubok na tila nakakapagod. Yet, you stayed the course and learned to rise after setbacks. That resilience will matter far beyond the classroom. Our schools became second homes where friendships were formed and confidence slowly rebuilt. Hindi lamang kaalaman ang natutunan ninyo, kundi disiplina, malasakit at tibay ng loob. Mga katangiang huhubog sa inyo bilang mga kabataang handang manguna ng may kakayahan at mabuting pagkatao. Behind every learner's success stands a community. To our teachers, thank you for teaching not only lessons, but courage. To our parents and families, your support made every achievement possible. Education is really a shared responsibility. This year, we continued strengthening the foundations of basic education from sharpening the revised K-10 curriculum and expanding senior high school pathways to sustaining programs that help learners recover essential skills and better supporting our teachers. Under the leadership of the President of the Philippines, we remain committed to building an education system that prepares Filipino learners for the future. As we celebrate the end of the school year rites, we are reminded of the aspiration that guides our efforts this year. Filipino graduates prepared to lead with competence and character. This reflects the kind of learners we strive to nurture. Young Filipinos who are not only academically prepared but also guided by integrity, compassion, and a strong sense of responsibility to serve others. To our learners moving forward, especially our graduates, this is only the beginning. Dalhin ninyo ang sipag, disiplina, at malasakit na hinubog sa inyo. Knowledge will open doors, but character will define your path. We are proud of you, we believe in you, and we will continue building a stronger future for every Filipino learner. Maraming salamat po, Sani Angara, Secretary of the Department of Education.